guys, look, this is a wild garlic. Look, it's quite nice. White flowers. It's a wild garlic. They're very nice. Look, you see all this wild garlic. Look, you can see. Look there. See all guys. Come on, God. We go up here. You can see guys, instead of like bluebells, dito naman wild garlic. Tingnan nyo diba? Yan, ang ganda. The wild garlic. Yan yan. Ito naman puro white. They're all white. Can I smell? They can smell the wild garlic. Look guys, ang ganda. Ito sila yan. Yan ang mga dahon. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Puro white. Puro white ang ground. Ayan. Akyat pa tayo. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda. Wow. Look at them. You see? Diba ang ganda nila Puro yan mga wild garlic guys. Ganito pag pag yung 1st of May. Yan. Diba? Grabe, ang ganda. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Diba dad? It's very nice, are they? All white. Look at them. Look at there. You can walk over there. Look. I get video there. Get video. Guys, super ganda, like a snow. Sige, maglakad-lakad pa tayo dito. Diba? Wow, you see? Diba? Ang ganda talaga. Ikot ko kayo dito guys diba? All white. Yan. Wow. They're so nice. I don't think we can go. So, ikot ko kayo dito guys Ang ganda. Ayan. Ang galing nyo. Bigyan pa din siya. Ang dami. Look. Look at that. Unbelievable. That is not. They are quite nice, are they? It's better than like a bluebell. So, it's amazing guys. This is all wild garlic. Yeah. You see the flowers, all white. Yeah. Yan oh. Fancy guys, everywhere. Look them, everywhere. All white flowers. Yeah. This is wild garlic. Look, it's quite nice. White flowers. It's a wild garlic. They're very nice. Look. There's more garlic flowers on this side as well. The one on the top there, the bluebell. There are bluebells. They're quite nice there, Dad, isn't it? I see all the back.